Hi guys, what's up? I hope you're all well and doing good. Today I'm going to show you how I achieve this foxy eye pulled back look, and especially if you have hooded eyes like me and almond shaped eyes, I will show you the hacks behind how to achieve it. I also show you tips and tricks on how to set and apply your eyelashes for this look, and also how to play with your own eyebrows to get that banging facelift look. Now, as many of you know, this is something that you'll see on plenty of models. Bella Hadid, Gigi Hadid, Kendall Jenner, all of them, they all pull off this look. I am no model, but I have attempted this look, and one of my favorite artists, he literally pulls this look off all the time, and that is Patrick Tar. Stay tuned guys and watch how I transform myself.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful.
So this look, you literally are trying to achieve like an eye facelift kind of look, and it's definitely not something that I would do normally because my eyes are hooded. So I would tend to go for sort of having my eyeshadow rounded, and even my lashes and everything, they're always rounded. Guys, let's see this. Yeah, like I'm so inspired by this look. And the first thing that I'm gonna do is start with my eyebrows. Now, that's like the biggest thing, guys. My eyebrows go down. I am not committed to this look as much as the other artists are who have shaved their eyebrows. However, I am fully committed to giving this a go and trying this. So I'm gonna see if I can avoid doing any of that because I really don't want to shave this. Look at it, guys. Oh. I took away the ends of my eyebrows, and seriously, let's just pray that this look works out, because otherwise I've just literally taken away my eyebrows for nothing. So now I am gonna go back in with my Anastasia dip pomade, and I'm just very lightly just gonna do strokes where I think my hair is sparse, and I'm slightly just gonna create the illusion up here by making my eyebrows slightly extended, not too much. Then once again, I'm gonna go in with my soap brow. What do you guys think? Do you think it actually looks good, or have I just screwed myself over? I still don't want this bit, but I didn't take that off. So what I'm gonna do with that, because I like the shape of the way the eyebrows going now, I am literally gonna go in with concealer. Just conceal this part of my eyebrow. Girl, I am not taking any more hairs away, because it seems like one when you're plucking and you're like, oh yeah, it's only one hair. And then we're going to use the concealer as a primer. So guys, one of the reasons why I don't really apply an eye primer and I just do this is purely because my eyes are not oily. Like, I don't have oily eyelids. And if I did have oily eyelids, I would 100% go in with the eye primer. I'm gonna go in with my eyebrow pencil and just create a few strokes of hairs here. So basically what I'm doing here is I'm extending my eyebrows a little. Yeah, I know my hair is still showing there. I'm just gonna let it set a bit, and then I'll go back in with a bit more concealer. I won't brush through so much right now because I want this to just set and dry a bit, and that's the same with my concealer. So I'm gonna go in with a slight amount of translucent powder because I really want this bit to be covered. Do you know what, actually? I'm not going to use my Tarte concealer. I'm going to use my Kevyn Aucoin. Okay, I'm just going to quickly do the other and I'll be back. My eyebrows are finally done, guys, and I don't think they look too bad, and I feel like you can see the areas which I have obviously tried to conceal, but it's fine, it's okay. So I did put like concealer onto my base, and I have gone in with translucent powder to just set my my eyelids. Colors that I'm going to focus on for this look are going to be very neutral tones. So I'm going to first start with just focusing on creating density within like the outer corner where my wing would be, because that's what all of the makeup looks that Guitar, who Bella Hadid and them lot have had, they have always had density in this area to create that lip, so everything literally goes upwards. So with this eye, because I already have hooded eyes, I'm not going to do my usual contour in the middle. I'm going to go in with the shade G Money and just create my wing. So now I'm looking directly into the mirror, so when you guys do this as well, look into the mirror and create your wing, and you want to focus on your wing being lifted. So I'm just going in with Homebody and G Money from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm sort of just creating like a lift with the wing that I'm going to create. That's my focus, like that bit there. I'm going to go in with G Money again, and just in this area where I created the wing, I am literally just going to go in circular motions with that shade and sort of pull it out towards my eyebrows, and then take it back in again and just focus on this corner of my eye. And then I'm just going to take whatever's excess on my brush and then just bring that into my eye. I'm just going to go in with a clean blending brush, and just the whole idea, it needs to look as though it's like a shadow and less like makeup. I'm going to now go in with the shade G Money, and this is like a cooler brown that I've just applied. Once again, I'm going to go in now with my clean blending brush and just diffuse anything over here so there's no harshness. I am going to go in with a black. So I'm going to go in with Temptress and then use this to sort of draw on my wing. So when you have hooded eyes, guys, try and focus your eyeliner on the top part of your lid. So don't go too, normally I do my liner, so I'm making it elongated. This, we're trying to take it upwards. So try not to go to the edge of your outer eye corner. Go on top of your lid and then pull the line upwards. So I'm literally just going to use this really small, it's a small detailing smudging brush, and I'm going to apply a little bit of G Money and just blend the outer parts of the black eyeshadow into the rest of the makeup. So with this, I'm just going to use my fingers, and I might actually stick with this palette. Yeah, I'm going to go in with Ride All Diamonds from the palette. Get this onto my finger. I am just going to do exactly the same thing on the other eye before I go to my lashes. So I'll be back. So I am going to put on my Demi Wispy lashes, and what I've done is I've stuck two, so I've cut it in half though, so I've stuck the end of my second one, cut it in half to create more of a denser outer wing, and this will help go with the vibe of this whole look. Also, the other thing, guys, for this look, you want to try and apply your lashes slightly a bit higher than your lash line on the outer corner. So the eyes are finally done, and seriously, I feel like they are looking fully pulled upwards. What I'm going to do is the last little trick for this eye is literally I'm going in with black pencil, and this is my Lifeliner by Huda Beauty, and I'm just putting this into the corners only of the eye. And what that does, it will just give like definition. I'm gonna go away and quickly do my base, and I'll be back when I get to my concealer stage, because that's where concealer and contour is where things go a little bit different. I am gonna now go in with my concealer. So I'm just gonna get this and apply this underneath my eye and take it all the way up. So I really want this bit to look snatched. So I'm just going to go in with my flat brush and start bringing this product into my skin. Are you noticing what I'm doing here? I'm taking this really high up and at an angle, so I'm lifting this upwards. The whole point of the Foxy eyes is to take your eyes and make them look really pulled upwards. And now that the concealer's sunk into my skin, now I will go in with my beauty blender. Now I'm just going to go in with my Charlotte Tilbury and just set my concealer in. And I'm just going to bake with my banana powder. When I say bake, I don't actually put like a ton load on. Let's go on to the contouring. I'm bringing it a little bit down this time. All these models have like this crazy drop in their jaw, like it's always fully pulled, so I'm kind of just creating that little illusion. I'm not being excessive because I do have some cheekbones, so I'm not going to go excessive. I'm going to go in with a slight hint of concealer again. The look is totally coming together, guys. I have gone and applied my blusher and a slight amount of highlight on both my cheekbones, and I'm just going to finish off the eyes. Now I'm going to go in with a highlight just on this part of my eyebrows, because remember, we want this to look like it's pulled back. So I'm literally just going to go in with my palette and take the colour Perfectionist and apply this to under my eyes. The final step left with the eyes is the inner part of your cat eye. I don't know why they call it a foxy eye trend, because it's like a cat. So when you do this, guys, you want to literally follow the line of your tear duct and just elongate it, and then create the tiniest triangle back to your eye. Now it's about matching this on the other eye. Guys, the final step is your lower mascara. And then we're gonna go in with our lips. Guys, this is the finished look, and I went with Dirty Peach by Kylie Cosmetics. This is it, guys. This is the finished look, and honestly, I have to say that I do really like this Foxy eye look. I do like the fact that my eyes look fully pulled back. So I guess we did it. I guess we actually achieved this look. I hope you've enjoyed it, and please don't forget to subscribe and comment below if you have enjoyed watching this makeup tutorial, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Love you. Bye bye.